Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel a sent invitation on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go for your LinkedIn account first and go for My Networks, and you can see all of the invitations that you have. But when you go in this see all button, and you can see that two option here, received and sent. Just go for send, and you can cancel all of the or any one person request. So I'll choose this one and just click on withdraw. So it's now gone. So this is how you can cancel a sent invitation on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.